Good morning, everyone. Let's take a look quickly at what it takes to share documents, to share document folders. So if you start at My GCA and then go to My Documents, this is what it looks like at my end. Let's create a new folder. We clicked on Create New Folder. I've got a new one here, and I'm going to name it Tutorial. Might put a description in here saying to demo sharing, and we'll save it. We can come back and share it later. Now, let's put a document in this folder. We'll upload. Let's select a file to upload. I have to figure out, I put a test file up here, simple Excel spreadsheet. And we're going to say, where do we want to put it? I'm going to put it in the tutorials folder right here. Say OK, and start upload. And you can see we're working on this upload. It also is converting it to a Google Docs spreadsheet. That's helpful for us. And so now if we go back to Google Docs, we're looking inside our tutorial folder here, and the only thing that's in there is this simple Excel spreadsheet. So we could share just the spreadsheet by going, clicking on it here, clicking on the little checkbox, say share, and invite people. And we want to invite some people, and they can be invited either to edit, which means they can change the file, or just to view it. Now, when they edit it, it will keep the older version, so nothing that you've done before you shared it, or even after you shared it, will be lost. It just there'll be multiple revisions. So let's choose who to share from. I'm going to choose from my contacts. Let's see what we got here. And let's say I want to share it with Barbara and Carol. Check those two and say done. Now I could also send them a message saying this is a test of how to share a document. I might want to send a copy of the invitation to myself. We can look and see who's got access already. Nobody. And advanced permissions. That means people who can edit it can invite others to edit or view, and they can forward their invitations. So at that point, I could just click on send, and it will send these invitations out to Barbara and Carol. And this document will be shared with them. I'm not going to do that right now. So the other thing we can do is look at our folders, and I could share a whole folder with a certain group of people by checking the folder tutorial, invite people, choose from my contacts. I could select all. Now everybody's invited. Say done. I could say, well, I only want them to view the folder, not actually change it, and then send them a little message. And click send, and the whole folder will be shared, and anything that you add to that folder later on will also be shared. So people will know to look in that folder and to find certain things. Now, for instance, I have a folder here called donation reports that's shared with everybody in Global Camps Africa. And so whenever Cindy or somebody uploads a new donation report, it will appear here and everybody will get to take a look at it. So that's sharing in a quick nutshell. Thanks for hanging. Bye.